The Honda X11, also called CB1100SF, is a standard motorcycle produced by Honda with a 1137cc liquid-cooled, inline-4 engine and downforce-inducing radiator shroud that increased cooling capacity and stability at high speed. It is based on the CBR 1100XX Super Blackbird. Production year 1999 to 2001. Get in. Engine displacement of 1137cc liquid-cooled 4-stroke 16-valve DOHC inline-4 mated to 5-speed gearbox nestled inside aluminium space frame. It pumped out maximum of 104 kilowatts, 139 horsepower, 9,000 revolutions per minute and torque of 116 Newton meters, 86 pound-feet, 7,000 revolutions per minute. Weight is 221 kilograms, dry, and 253 kilograms, with fuel capacity of 22 liters. Front tire size 120/70th ZR17 while rear tire size is 180/55th ZR17. Front brakes are dual disc 310mm, 3-piston calipers and rear brakes single disc 256mm, 3-piston caliper. Front is 43mm telescopic fork wide. Rear is suspension pendulum with monoshock preload adjustment.